All right, friends, what is going on? As always, it is absolutely amazing to see you. Now, obviously, you're going to be watching another installation video where in this video, we're going to be, I can't say we. Well, Rick's going to be doing all the work on this install here, but you get the point. We're going to be installing a set of rock slides on the 2025 Toyota Tundra. Now, when you factor in or think about when you pick up a new overland rig, there are, I think in my opinion, there are a few components that are absolutely must do relatively out the get-go if you do any sort of significant off-roading and so forth. Tires is absolutely first on that list. Getting a good set of MTs or off-road tires, a little bit of a lift does wonders. Obviously, having a good compressor like a Morflate 10.6, something like that. And then, of course, rock slides. Now, with my Gladiator, I've been using Rockslide Engineering for, holy smokes, 4 years. I absolutely love their product. It's durable. It's built like a tank, which I think means the same thing, but maybe built like a tank levels it up just a little bit. But they're really well made. When you factor in, there's just a handful of companies that make really good quality rock slides, and Rockslide Engineering, it's an American-based company up in Utah. These guys do it, and they do it very, very well. Now, if you've never had a set of rock slides on your vehicle, they serve a really great purpose. You know, first of all, you're talking about armor and protection for the truck's most vulnerable areas. Rock sliders are designed to shield the lower rocker panels and sides of your truck from rocks, stumps, trail obstacles, or whatever the heck you may be running over that can easily dent or damage the body when off-roading. So instead of your sheet metal taking the hit, well, the sliders, what they do is they absorb and distribute the impact forces, protecting the expensive bodywork, and that's going to obviously save you some bucks. So they're very, very effective. Now, this also allows your truck to slide over obstacles instead of getting hung up. It also provides a strong frame mounted for jacking and recovering points and so forth, and it adds rigidity and durability for off-road and overland use. And it also improves the entry and exit, especially for lifted trucks or with larger tires. So having a good set of rock slides, there's numerous benefits that come along with it. And so in this video, again, we're going to be seeing Rick installing it on the 2025 Tundra. So let's dive into it.
What's going on, guys? Today we have the rock sliders from Rockslide Engineering, and we're going to be installing this on the 2025 Toyota Tundra. We have the set of two. So first step first is going to be to install the rubber gasket onto it. I already did that. It took me a while, to be honest, because it's a little tough to install in here. But what I did, just got a screwdriver, opened this up a little bit, and then just shoved it right in there like so. And you just got to do this all the way through on both sides. Okay, and then we're gonna go under the truck, and there's 8 of these that you're going to remove. We're going to use the factory ones from the truck to install in there. I'm going to show you guys once I go down there how to do that. So right now I'm under the truck, and we're going to remove a total of 8, and there's in pairs of 2. So we got 2, 4, 6, and 8. And for this next part, I'm going to have a friend come out and help me to hold it while I do the bolting. Alright, so first I'm going to install the corner ones so that I can rest the slider on the corner ones and then continue with the rest. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that I have the 2 bolts set up, this is where my friend comes in, and then we're just gonna slide it in Alrighty. You all good, Renee? Thanks. And if you want to pass me the camera, I'll show him how to do it. Alright, so what I was talking about is if you just set the side ones, there's a little sliding piece right there. You just slide those in. And then there's obviously the one that I did on the other side, right there. And we're just gonna do the rest right there and right there. Okay. All right, just like that. And there you have it, the driver's side of the rock sliders from Rockslide Engineering.
All right, friends, and there you go. Rick made this installation look absolutely effortless. As you can see, this 2025 Toyota Tundra is really beginning to shape up really nice. You have the truck bed rack on the back of this thing here, which has its purpose. We've done some videos on that in the past. You have the staple fender storage units on the side, which again, really give a very unique look. And now the Rockslide Engineering rock sliders really add a nice touch to that. So with that said, if you have any questions about Rockslide Engineering or about this install whatsoever, friends, drop a comment down below. Again, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video here, Rockslide Engineering, when it comes to rock sliders, they are, in my opinion, I think one of the best brands out there. I ran with them on my Gladiator. Now, the ones on my Gladiator with it were a little bit different. They had the actuators that when you open up the door, it dropped down a step to be able to get in. Now, they didn't have it for the Tundras. So depending upon what vehicle you have, they have all sorts of different vehicles that these things can be mounted to. And what I'll do is I'll put a link down below if you want to check those out there. But I highly recommend. All right, friends, and that's going to wrap up this installation video of these Rockslide Engineering rock sliders on this 2025 Toyota Tundra. I think it turned out absolutely amazing. It looks great. Functionality is right up there. And also having that peace of mind that you have a product that's going to take a punch when you need it. Rockslide Engineering does it like no other company. But again, I'm going to put links down below. If you have any questions on these, feel free to reach out to me or feel free to link on through over to Rockslide Engineering and see what they have for your truck. With that said, I'm going to be shutting off the cameras and I will see you in the next video.